Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to find add-ins on Microsoft Excel. Sometimes it become very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now go to Google Chrome, in search type add-ins Microsoft Excel. Click on add-ins Microsoft Excel. Now click on add or remove add-ins in Microsoft Excel support and scroll down. Look, select Windows and add or remove an Excel add-in. Click here and look, you will find add-ins in Home and then add-ins, or click File, then Get add-ins. Now I am going to open Microsoft Excel and select Home tab and look, here is the add-ins. You will find all types of add-ins here, and if you want more, click on more add-ins, Microsoft Office add-ins here, and you can search your add-ins from this search box and you can find all add-ins here. Or alternatively, you can find in file. Click on File tab and click on More and click on Options, and now click on Add-ins. You will find all add-ins here, and you can add any add-ins from this inactive application add-ins list. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.